So not all of us saw some, but yes, if you can believe it, there was snow across parts of western Massachusetts this morning, all gone now, thankfully. As 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon explains, seeing snow is not all that rare for this time of year.
Saturday morning's weather was a shocker. Temperatures dropped to the 20s and 30s with teeth-chattering wind chills in the 20s and teens. And for some, snow. That's right, it's May. Now, snow didn't accumulate everywhere in western Massachusetts, but it did in the Western Hills, the Berkshires, and Franklin County. You are looking at various photos of the May snow sent in by 22 News viewers. Most areas that saw the snow only picked up a dusting or coating, but others saw a good inch or two. But as unwelcome as this snow was, even for the lower Pioneer Valley, May snow isn't an extremely rare occurrence. Past May snows in Chicopee include the May 1977 storm that brought nearly 6 inches. Otherwise, on May 18, 2002, there was a light snow that accumulated 0.6 inches. So since 1945, the latest we've seen snow in Chicopee is in mid-May. It didn't just look like winter either. High temperatures rivaled historically record cold high temperatures. The record coldest high temperature for Saturday is 41 degrees set in 1977, the same day we saw that historic May snowstorm. I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon.